Welcome to our video on the top 9 must-have outdoor and fishing gadgets, where we bring you some of the most innovative tools to elevate your outdoor adventures and fishing experiences. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. Max Steel Rod. The KastKing Max Steel Rod is designed for serious anglers who need precision and performance. Made with high-quality carbon fiber, this rod offers superior strength without adding unnecessary weight, ensuring durability and comfort. Available in multiple sizes, ranging from 1.80 meter to 2.4 meters, it's perfect for bass and pike fishing. The bait casting rod design gives you better control and sensitivity, making it a trusted choice for both beginners and seasoned anglers. Whether you're on a serene lake or battling currents in a river, this rod ensures you reel in the big catch. 8. Knot Assist Tool. The Knotter Assist tool makes knotting fishing lines easier than ever. Whether you're tying a GT, PR, or FG knot, this handy tool provides efficiency and precision. Its compact design makes it a must-have for fishing trips, allowing you to save time and focus on what matters most, fishing. Lightweight yet robust, this tool ensures your knots are secure, giving you peace of mind during your angling adventures. 7. Electric Fish Scaler. The electric fish scaler is a game changer for cleaning fish. Equipped with a high-powered all-copper motor and stainless steel blade, it removes fish scales effortlessly without damaging the skin. Its waterproof design ensures durability, and the lithium battery provides long-lasting power for extended use. Ideal for restaurants, markets, or home kitchens, this scaler saves time and labor, making fish cleaning a breeze. 6. 2-in-1 Gauge. The 2-in-1 water temperature gauge combines a voltmeter with a temperature sensor for cars and trucks. Featuring a clear LCD digital display, this gadget provides real-time updates on engine temperature and voltage. Its shockproof and low-energy design ensures reliability, while the durable engineering plastic shell offers longevity. It's an essential tool for monitoring your vehicle's health and ensuring optimal performance on the road. 5. Vertical Rod Holder. The Plus Inno vertical rod holder is the ultimate organizer for fishing enthusiasts. Designed to hold up to 9 rods or combos, this wall-mounted rack is perfect for garages or homes with limited space. Its innovative and patented design ensures your fishing rods stay secure and easily accessible. With a compact footprint of under 16 inches, this rod holder is a must-have for keeping your gear tidy and ready for your next fishing trip. 4. Electric Lure Bait. The electric lure bait is a cutting-edge fishing accessory that mimics real fish movements. This rechargeable 4-segment swim bait features flashing LED lights and a robotic design to attract fish even in low-light conditions. Perfect for luring larger fish, this crankbait provides versatility and effectiveness in both freshwater and saltwater. Its lifelike design and functionality make it a favorite among anglers looking to maximize their catch. 3. Electric Exhaust Kit. The cutout exhaust kit adds a touch of power and customization to your vehicle. Made from stainless steel, it features an electric valve for adjusting the exhaust flow. The kit is designed to enhance performance while giving you control over your car's sound. Durable and easy to install, this exhaust kit is perfect for car enthusiasts who love to fine-tune their ride. 2. Inflatable Car Jack. The inflatable car jack is a versatile tool for off-road adventures and emergencies. With a lifting capacity of up to 4 tons and an impressive height of 72 centimeters, it can easily lift SUVs and sedans. Made from durable 1000D polyester with a PVC coating, it's tough enough to handle challenging conditions. Whether you're stuck in mud or need a quick lift, this air jack is a reliable and safe solution. 1. Fishing Alarm Set. The Carp Fishing Alarm Set is a high-tech solution for anglers who want to stay alert without constantly monitoring their lines. This wireless set includes a bite alarm and remote control with 20 different features, including LED indicators, nightlight controls, sensitivity adjustments, and anti-theft settings. With its reliable design and intuitive controls, this alarm system ensures you never miss a bite, even during nighttime fishing trips. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.